and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I use the Particular plugin from the Trapcode suite created by Red Giant. I'm gonna to be showing you how to use Trapcode Particular using emitter light. Let's go. First, I'm going to open a new project. Create a new comp. I'm using 1920 width by 1080 height 30 frames per second. 10-second long. Click OK. Go to Layer. New. Light. Name Light Emitter. Then click OK. Go to the X position and drag it right or left as you like. Then go to emitter and press P on your keyboard. Keyframe position, then move few frames, then drag the X position into another side. Go to this point and scroll it up. Also the other side. Create a new solid. Call it Particular. Click on Make Comp Size. Then click OK. Go to Effect, RG Trapcode and choose Particular. Go to Emitter, Emitter Type. Light. Change velocity, velocity random, velocity distribution and velocity from motion to 0. Also emitter size X, Y, and Z to 0. Change particle size to 2. Go to emitter again and change velocity to 60. Make size 1. Go to Set Color and choose Color over Life, then choose any color you want. Again go to emitter size and change size to 3000. I think we need to change velocity to 30. Go to Physics. Air, turbulence field. Change effect size to 4. And scale to 40. Mix scale 100. Go to Effect, Stylize, Glow. Make background. Go to Emitter Light, press Ctrl D to duplicate.